Say Hype.
Oh, that clumsy.
Yo, me have everything locked. I bet when the big man here say, it's me out here. I'm good to stop everything where I do. Just say accommodate Daddy Grapsy. No say nothing.
So Innocent go on. Hype. Wanna get contract? A muscle. Take it to them.
Guys, you know, come here. Come here. Look, it doesn't look good. If you see the big man come out in the whole bagger man them. Cause some of them too beggy. You know, just stand upside down with the manager man and make me look good.
So, you think him really want to produce a song?
I don't think at this stage. I know. Look, I know I may not be the manager of the crew, but I want you guys to let me behave as one. Because anyway you come here to check the big man without any form of representation, you again look like a group of some nobodyians.
So what that's supposed to mean?
Somebody when nobody if you look about them in the music business.
Hype is the manager.
No, Hype is just a member of the group. You need somebody outside the group who does not perform to be a manager. These are modern times.
Modern times? I don't like that arrangement, you know.
You have a better arrangement? Rank. Yo, Father Sly, what's up, man?
Yes, big man. Everything
Yes,
cool?
long time. I want to meet the crew. Hype, Kappa, Maka, Clumsy.
Bless up.
Respect, man. Respect. So, you have anything for CD?
Look, man, this group is hot. They are as good as your last song.
Yeah.
Right? You want to hear how them current farmer do it.
All right. Let's go inside and listen.
Come on.
Place this to be, you know.
I've got it.
You know what we're there? Now the lab. The musical lab. So, on a change.
Yo, cool. Let's see what you have in mind.
Acapella. Yeah, I feel.
You never see me with no gun in my hand.
I'm innocent.
So you got to believe.
Them a try pull tricks and card. I'm innocent. I'm never kill Steve.
I never me alone a bong spot fay. I'm
Innocent.
I know me make she breathe. Does the jury have a verdict? You're guilty. And that get me grief.
It was the way.
Good work, guys. Now the real work begins. I'll meet you outside in a while. I just have a word with the big man, all right?
Man grabs it, it's pushing you, man. Run down management. Can't take him out.
Yes, Grapsy. Wicked.
Yes.
Yeah, them can work.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. So we can work with them.
Can work with them.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Feel good.
Respect.
Father Fly.
Yeah, man.
Bless up. No mess up. Bless.
Kieran and Sharon.
Very good. Thank you. You're nice.
Right? Everything set. The big man are gonna produce a song. Hey, maybe a whole album. Where the crew? Gone? Alright, come. Yo, let's go. Yeah. Hey, tell me something. When are you gonna take home my girl to meet your mother?
My mother don't want to meet any girl I talk to.
What do you mean by that?
That means she wants to be the only woman in my life. Whereas like when we win the lottery, she claims that every girl I talk to is a gold digger.
You know that is true. These girls nowadays come with the territory. And worse, you're in the entertainment biz. It is gonna hard to find who is real from who is fake. But all you have to do is just test them out one by one.
I hear you, my Dan. I hear you. But you know I met a girl today? She live around the way still. You think I should invite her over? You don't think it's too early?
No. How you mean? Come on, man.
She'll be here any minute.
then your timing is perfect.
You know, easy, you know. Hi. Yes, Andrea. I'm coming now. She at the door.
That was quick.
I soon come.
All right.
Next on the DJ train, come in, copper, and drive them insane.
Meet my friend Grabsy. Grabsy, meet Andrea.
Ooh, wee, Mademoiselle. My pleasure of meeting you cannot be described in words. Anna wouldn't even try to attempt it.
That's unique.
Yes.
It's nice to meet you, Mr. Grabsy.
Thank you.
Is that your real name?
Well, it is now. Ooh. Hello? Yes, please make use.
Hello. Can I help you?
It look like I the wrong house me there. I asked a Grabsy live.
Grabsy.
Grabsy, me they have 54, but me not see you.
Grabsy inside still, but...
So you and brother in that tell me about.
Brother.
Oh, Vel. Hi, Velvet. Hi. Meet Velvet. Velvet, meet Hype.
Nice to meet you.
Hello.
Let us go cool off around the back a little, no? The interior decorator is inside, measuring up, all right? Hype, assume.
Your lyrics are very good.
Punks.
No, honestly, I'm serious.
For real?
Yeah.
All right, Joe. Later, yeah? Yeah, man, me all right. Later.
May I use your bathroom?
Oi. Oi, where's the papa? Your grandmother is something else, you know. She's quite all right. Took her to the doctor, though.
So you have anything up here you can drink?
Like what?
The only cognac them have up this side. When we drink that then?
Baby, I want to lower your chest a little from here. I don't want you to get drunk.
Why you come home early, though, mommy?
So, you never did expect me to come up so early? Junior, you're there from morning. You tell me, good God, you could cook some food? Oh, you expect to get a good woman if you can't be responsible? Go and go cook some food for me, I'm tired. Go. What? Who this?
Mommy, meet Andrea. She live around the way.
It's really nice to meet you.
Just give me a minute with my son, please. Please. Junior, how you heck to do all these things? Carry a woman in here without saying anything to me?
Sorry, mommy.
Jesus. Go for some water for me. Go for a look of water there for me. Hold on there. Hold on there. Grabsy with woman in my home? Yeah, you. You not hear me say I don't want you me yard. Get out of me yard, you and your concubine.
Sorry, no, baby. You have to go. Mommy crazy.
Is it because of me?
No, man. Trust me.
Okay, but why is she so mad?
Thief! Who no come out, or criminal Grabsy come out! No, you better run in again!
Hey, Tristan, let's go!
And don't come back here, you have a nastiness, yo! If I did ever catch her! If I did ever catch her! Why you allow this thing to happen, eh? That is why Mr. Wedderburn always have to be spying on us.
Hype. We seem to be running into each other a lot recently, man. Is this some form of divine coincidence? I hear there's some commotion at this location.
There's no commotion, man. Just a little misunderstanding, huh?
But this misunderstanding seems like it has your mother in a very violent mood.
Oh no, officer. What happened you see is intruder was around the back and I chased them away.
There was no blasted intruders. She knows these hoodlums. They come up here every day and disturb me.
What that from Mr. Weddy? What that from Mr. Weddy? Eh? Why you don't mind your own business? Eh? Why you don't stay there and steal to other people's private business?
This is my community. I have been living here for over 15 years. I don't know where you were living before you came here, but obviously you're not used to decent coexistence.
What? Where you just say a while ago, Weatherburn? Where you just really say a while ago? Because where I come from, people don't take them camera and take picture of them neighbor and spy.
Calm down, mommy. Just calm down.
Not tell me for calm down, man. Him too out order. Mr. Officer, ever since we come up here, come live, you know, this old zoo to pick. No stop take for me and me picnic. And I do my route to no. I will cuss bad word out here, you know, officer.
Oh, okay. There's no need to escalate this tension anymore. Mr. Weatherburn, sir, go back inside. I'll talk to your neighbor.
I hope you do. I don't want the value of my property eroded by folks who do not overstand decent living.
Mr. Weatherburn, please, sir. Hype. You have a nice face. And I know you're a good boy. So don't let me have to come back up here. Unless it's for something more pleasant. Far more pleasant.
Start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. We get a couple million now, we on the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me that buy your house a car. Me the girl's name funny, but that's a if I probably a when or if you get lucky. It really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew. They say we better than me and we are star. Real star.
It's official Benzly Hype Stars. Yeah, my bro. G, bless up, you know. We're there, son. You want Me and Mi KRU stuff? Just get the link here. See, you want Benzly Hype videos, get the link here. Innocent Kru stuff, click the link here. You understand? This is the official video, so subscribe. One of the new things. You see me, I say? We're there, I don't know. Been away for a minute. We're back. So follow me now. Don't know. See?